So guys, it's early birds, and guys, that phone keep doing this, bro. I hate it. I freaking hate this. This thing. No, this time is gonna be 1 hour. Wait, guys, because if you want to see the rainbow stuff here, because last time I did a video, and then I just canceled it. So now, can you see this? Is it cool? Seeing this? Okay, let me explain. So first thing, guys, can you? I forgot what to say. Actually, man, you're serious, man. We have a man here. It's me. And why is that? I got these 2 computers. Look, I just switch it alone. Hi, bro. Yeah, I might do this. Hi, everyone. Hi. I gotta press the signal. Hi, everyone. Yo! Look, I gotta say announcement. Oh my gosh. No, I'm gonna just say it a couple of times, whatever. Oh, wait, can I waste Robux in this one? Wait, I don't have that much Robux. Wait, can I buy it? No, I wasted my mom's Robux. No, I wasted something from my mom. Come on, no, why? Okay. Oh, we got 2 secret luck blocks. Wait, why are they radioactive? Alright, we're gonna open them. Why are they radioactive? I never saw radioactive spaghetti. But I saw a radioactive lost secret. Look, I might get it. Oh my. Alright. And guys, do you know instead of press the button selling, you can just here write delete. And then they will show the delete hammer and say give. This tool only works for private. But you already got it. It only works for private, look. Bro, it just... You're Simon now when you do this. Okay, let's open the others. What am I gonna get? Yo. No. 3 zucchinis. Oh my gosh. 3 zucchinis. Man, you gotta be kidding me, man. Wait, from now on, can I open Lucky Blocks? Okay, no, let's just not. Oh, I'm adding the fuse machine. I'll put them here. Wait, let's write. DDD. Is he online here? You're still searching. Okay, guys, bro. Do you know the best trick you can just do is just... Only in the admin views, you can just invite Sammy to a private, or you can just duel together. Just write his name and then only during admin abuse you can do this. During admin abuse. Wait, I forgot what to say. I'm gonna tell you guys. Look, later, like 5 minutes before admin abuse, I'm gonna finish this video and do another video of this. And then at the end, I'm gonna start doing sorts. But while admin abuse, I'm gonna end this video before the end of admin abuse. Because I explained this to another ones. So guys, Subscribe. I want to be a popular subscriber, bro. A popular what is it called again? Why does he look like that to me? Why you look like me like that? What has the steak said? Guys, did you hurt him? There's still a burrito here with him. Look, his name is Burrito. No, what I did? Okay, bro, I just paused. Wait, should I say 6, 7? Wait, I'm gonna say L stick in the chat. But that's not real. I'm gonna say L steak. I'm gonna say L steak in the chat. And we'll see what is it? Oh, he screamed on me. Wait, you saw him? You saw him? You saw him? That's why I hate steak. Look. L steak. Yeah, I'm a biggest user. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, if you love steak, then go scroll. Okay, there's still 3 hours. OMG. Let's go back to Roblox. None of my cousins are online. Look, I want to tell you who's my other cousin. I have still so much cousins are added. So first thing, like, there is my my friend Zahi. This last time we played Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Yeah, together. And his PlayStation, his TV. Yeah. And that's his old. And the Leah girl here. Wait, guys. And now because they're in school right now and I'm home because I am sick. Yeah, and they're in school. They will come like in 1 hour. They'll be home in 1 hour. She's a girl. I have here in the house. I have a big sis. Not a sis. I don't have a sister here. I don't even have a brother and sisters. I only have cousins. Like I have so much cousins, but I don't have any brothers. Yes, she's my girl cousin. Like one day she's gonna come to our video, and this boy, I'm gonna ban him from Roblox later. Because he scammed me last time. He's my cousin, and he scammed me last time in the call. And then, guys, I'm gonna revenge him to face reveal him. My no, not Alito. Alito is like one of my best cousins. Aduma, I'm gonna face reveal him on YouTube. I'm just gonna put it in short because he's the biggest scammer. I call him for nothing. I call him in What's Up for Nothing, bro. And Alito, like, he's gonna come in like one of the videos, and that's Alito's another account with the green bean version. And then we have another, and this guy, he's gonna get banned from Roblox. I'm gonna ban him with my script in Roblox Studio. I'm gonna use it. And this is Dalia's other account, because all in our house we have other accounts. We have 2 accounts. One for stealing from the public and one on the bank. And then those others are nothing. And those others because I'm gonna nothing. Because those, okay guys, if those guys are one of you, like those guys, look, we have, wait, let me move this here so you don't see my reveal facing. First we have this guy. Is that you guys? Is that you guys, Cruz? Is that you guys, Breakham 5? Is that you? You. Oh, wait. I want to use my mouse a little. Wait, guys. I want to use my mouse. Oh. Okay, this. And guys, Spider Sammy's you is. Yeah, I forgot. He is the little cousin. He's my the little cousin and the whole cousins. He's very little, and his account just got deleted. He just deleted Roblox. Is that you guys? I don't know who's her bald. Yeah, that's my other daughter account, and this is Fulton. Is that you guys? And Samael 72015. Wait, I born in 2015. Yeah, he born in it too. Okay, he's my cousin. Is he too? No, he's not. Okay, please do not face reveal. Okay, good. I didn't face revealed. Alright, goodbye. Alright, we're just gonna get this closer there. Because I don't want to get the face reveal and I want you guys to see well. Should I get it more? Because from now on, I'm not gonna use any more my computer. I'm gonna use the PC. So Replay, please donate. Now those guys are gonna say, please donate me. Please donate me. Okay, well, what should I play? Since it's early birth of Steel Brain Rot. Taco Tuesday, 20 January. Yeah, that's 20 January 2026. It makes sense. Wait, Steak just said subscribe. What is Steak doing? Wait, should I check on Kalis? Wait, is Kalis? Oh, okay, Steak is on. Wait, Steak on. He's on Steel Brain Rot. Oh, wait, I'm gonna invite him. I might invite him. He's on Steel Brain Rot. Has a cookie and milky, bro. I'm gonna invite him to the duel. A duel. Okay, Duel. Okay, come on. I'm gonna join. Alright, might join. Please. Did you left? Wait, Stick, did you left? Okay, still there. Okay. Okay. Where's the duel? Wait, I'm gonna invite him to the duel and I'm gonna see his reaction. Wait, I'm gonna invite him to the duel. Bro, why is it laggy? Wait, his name is Steak Fad. Okay, wait. Okay, global. Steak Fad. Wait. Is it on? He's on. Come on. He was giving me something good. Offline? What the heck? Don't tell me. Oh, he's in a duel. Oh, he's offline. But why does it show offline? Aha. Wait. How does it show offline? Oh, wait, that's... Okay, they're dueling. We all Steak won. Wait. Oh, it's the... Wait. What can I get? Okay. What can you guys say I'm gonna get? Please, give me the secret lucky block. No need for the curse slap. Okay, accept the luck and the secret lucky block. Come on. Please. No, I got money. I hate the money. Do you just guys get money too? I hate those money. No need for mommy. I can just... why did I say mommy? Okay, mommy. Alright, why did I say mommy? And who's that bacon there? Is that me? Wait, imagine I was playing with Steak. Why is the burrito mercy too? It's bad. He's just in around right now. I can't invite him. Oh my. Freak. I can't. No. Okay, they're gonna get him off. Okay, there's still 3 hours, 1 minute. Oh wait, maybe he ended. No, what did I did? What did I did? Okay, that's the end. That's the end. Wait, is he on right now? He's offline. Oh, it's you. Why are you not? Wait. Let me see if Sammy's online right now. Sammy. Oh, no, it's not like that. Spy. Okay, wait. I might check him. He's offline again. Wait. Is Kalis online? Kalis Blocks? Wait, what is his name, Kalis? I don't know. Wait, let me see again. Stay quad. I just want to duel with you. Come on, Steak. Oh wait, maybe I need to get a brain rot example. Wait, I need to steal a secret from a public. Can I go steal? I need a secret. I will give it back. That's gonna be awesome. Come on. Ah! Look at him. Look at him, bro. I think he's wrong stuff. It's funny. Oh, it's been murder mystery. Come on, stop that. Come on. Come on. You gotta be serious. Guys, what should I play right now? Public? Steal public? Okay, well, I'll go steal from a public right now. Okay, we're gonna see from public server. Guys, please, we need the live. Subscribe. Right now. Click the subscribe button. Oh, well, what he said? Wait, I'm gonna say in the chat, bad boy. Bad boy. That's gonna be funny. Yo, I said it. He's a bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy Steak. Yeah, bad boy. Whoa. There's luck. Wait, Chris Bombini? Oh, there's luck. 2x luck. Phantom? Oh, okay. Wait, do you wanna guys play, Five Nights at Freddy's? Okay, I'll try playing this. Okay, if you're afraid of jump scares, just skip the Five Nights at Freddy's to the another time, because the other game is gonna be still right. No, the other game is gonna be nothing, and we're just gonna leave. Okay, whatever. Steal a brain rot or something. Okay, guys, if you're afraid of jump scares, get out. Okay, guys. So, guys, why am I saying guys? Okay, so I need to stop this. Okay, come on. Alright, here we are. We started. Here we are. Bunny. We don't need to ask this guy anything. I'm scared. Bro, why there's no lights? I'm night 2. Guys, if you're I'm gonna repeat again. If you guys afraid of jump scares, go away. If you're not, stay and comment what's your favorite movie. Scary favorite movie. If you don't have, then subscribe. Because those guys who don't have, he's good. Okay. I'm the Freddy boy. That's impossible if they kills me. Oh my. I hope no one does be in the... Okay, it's another time for talking right now. I need to focus. Because I need to check the vents. What? Imagine those chicken here and then I put it in and it's staying like that. I can check. We got it. Oh, okay. So Freddy's there. Guys, maybe I will get jump scared now. Guys, be careful or maybe I will get jump scared. I will get jump scared, guys. Oh, Foxy. Get out. He's gone. I might put it on. Wait, if Baloma is here, it means I need to put my mask on. It doesn't mean... Guys, I'm repeating again. No, I'm scared. I don't want to scare you guys. I don't want to scare you. Because I need you to subscribe, that's it. The only thing I need you is to subscribe. Oh, usually, wait, Stick now is... They look... I thought they're not friends anymore, Stick and WeCraft. But they're back friends, finally! Because they just did a problem last week. Maybe, whatever. I mean, last month, yeah, last month. Did a problem. Did you heard that? They did a problem? Because Stick and Kalis, they were deleting his tongues and then he started crying and blah 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 reporting whatever. $23 minutes already? Friday. Internal nights? Okay. Okay guys, if you wanna know how to do emojis in computers or PCs, nothing to worry about. You can just go to Google, go to the app ChatGPT. Yeah, go to the app ChatGPT. Yeah, and then what's the next again? And they're calling us in French, bro. Guys, you don't understand French, okay? Because this one computer is French. Even I don't know French too. Like I know, but I know that much. Like little. I know only little. Guys, I'm sorry. if that happened. Oh, bro, he's happy and could you have just killed him? Lol. Alright, guys. So the fish reveal. No, we're not. I'm telling you, if I get like 5,000 subscribers, I will do this. Come on, guys. I need to be one of the popular ones. Come on, I need to get more subscribers than Zahi. Who are you, team? With? Come on, we need to get more. No! I was almost gonna fish reveal. That was almost gonna got fish reveal. I freaking hate this. No, don't tell me I got this. Oh! Okay, guys, bye.